Welcome to AA's Automotive and Performance, a dealership experience at aftermarket pricing. At AA's Automotive and Performance, we provide our customers with unsurpassed auto repair and outstanding customer service at affordable prices. Our services: repairs, performance upgrades, maintenance. Performance upgrades. Whether you are just looking to add a little power to your daily driver with a cold air intake and exhaust, or if you are looking to put a supercharged stroker motor with a nitrous shot in your vehicle, we will take care of your needs. We can add performance suspension and braking to your vehicle, as well as some custom wheels to give it that unique look. Our guarantee. You can be assured we are using correct parts and all work done is inspected and tested before your car is returned to you. That is the AA's Automotive and Performance promise. We offer financing. Get up to $3,000 with no credit needed. Apply online or inquire in our shop. To know more, visit www.dblaauto.com or contact us at 253-840-9130. We strive to do anything we can to help everyone keep their vehicles on the road.